Oh wow, I found a real nice spot right here. All right, here we go. You two were on the people's channel. Beautiful empty lot, and it looks like they're gonna build a house here. So I said, well, you know what, this is a nice spot right here. So this is where they're going to go from. 30 triplets, 30 homers. I'm gonna let them relax. I'm gonna let them relax for a while. And then we're gonna take it from there. Let them relax for a while. All right, here we go. Here we go. I tell you what, man. Every time I go out to toss these birds, it's so freaking windy. I can't believe it. Every time I toss these birds, it's windy. Every time. And I'm doing it 3 times a week now. I just don't understand. Every time I'm getting ready to let them out, it's super, super, super windy. Every time. There they go. It's super, oh my God, it's super, super windy. Whoa, man. I'm really far from these freaking wires, but still, unbelievable. Unbelievable, still. These freaking wires. Even though I'm far from the wires, they still went right through the wires. Come on, guys, go up. Get the hell away from the wires. Unbelievable. They keep going through those damn wires. Man. I hate this, man. Wires every freaking where. Come on, guys. Climb up. There you go. Okay. We're gonna wait till this guy do what they gotta do. And then we're gonna let the triplets out. All right. There they go. Man, they flying low. It's the wind. Look at that. It's the wind, boy. They're flying low. Wow. Come on, guys. Pick up. All right, we're gonna get ready for the triplets. Oh man, there they go. There go the triplets. All right. Whoa. Oh boy. Unbelievable. The wind is just taking these guys down. Come on, guys, stop climbing up. Okay, the triplets are out now. Climb up, guys, climb up. Man, I tell you, this wind is something else. There they go. Start climbing up, guys. Start climbing up. There they go. Oh no, I cannot believe it. The freaking homers came back. Unbelievable. They just miss each other. Wow. Unbelievable. Triplets are climbing up. Holy smoke. Look at this. The triplets are climbing up. Oh my God. I don't think they're gonna smack. Oh boy. First time they do this. Wow. Unbelievable. Look at this. They almost freaking smack. They disappear. I didn't see them no more. I let the triplets out and boom, But the tiplets are going up. There go the tiplets. They're going up. They're going up. Tiplets are going up. Yeah. Once they start going up, that's it. Where the homers? Now the homers disappear. Unbelievable. Never seen this happen. Wow. But the tiplets are going up. Way up. Uh-oh. There's two of them breaking out. Stay tight, guys. There you go. All right, YouTube world. I gotta get going. I gotta go to warm up to deliver some money. But the tiplets are going out. Whoa. They going the wrong way, but it's okay. If they go the wrong way, that means they're gonna have to fly longer, and that's even better. There you go, they're turning back now. They're turning back. All right, YouTube world on the People's Channel. I'm out. I gotta go to warm up. Arrivederci. All right.